Russians, hope you all are fine and well at your places. This is your art and craft time and today I am going to make you learn finger paint animals. So get ready to do this activity. To make finger paint animal, the material you require is watercolor, black marker and brush. First of all, dip thumb into pink color and give impression like this. Then dip small finger into color and make the ear of the rabbit with small finger impression. Then take black marker and draw the eyes, nose and lips of the rabbit like this. I have just drawn 2 dots for the eyes, 1 heart shape for the nose, then standing line and letter W for the mouth. Then draw mustaches like this, sleeping and slant lines. You can draw 2 teeth of the rabbit also. Now our rabbit face is ready. Now dip thumb into grey color and give impression like this. 1 in sleeping direction, 1 in standing direction and again 1 in sleeping direction. Then dip small finger into color and draw the trunk of the elephant like this. Take the black marker and draw ear like this. I have just drawn 2 curves and outline it. Again make 2 curves and outline it from the upper side. Elephant's ears are ready. For the eyes, just draw 2 dots. Outline the trunk and draw a shape like heart at the end of the trunk. Outline the trunk. After outlining, draw 2 teeth of the elephant like this. Just draw V shape on both sides. Our elephant face is ready. Dip thumb into yellow color and give impression on the paper. Now dip index finger in the yellow color and give again impression at the end of this thumb impression. Now we are going to make cat. Take the black marker and draw the ear of the cat. I have just drawn 2 triangles for the ear. Now draw 4 pairs of standing lines for the legs of the cat like this and draw an oval shape at the end of these standing lines. Fill the legs and feet completely with black color. Then draw the tail of the cat like this. Fill it with black marker. Draw 2 dots for the eyes of the cat. Then draw triangle for the nose. After that, draw curvy W for the mouth of the cat. Then draw sleeping line, slant line for the mustaches. Draw some lines on the body of the cat. Fill black color in the ear of the cat like this. Our cat is ready. Now dip again thumb into pink color and give impression like this. Take black marker and draw 4 standing lines like this. And draw an oval shape at the end of each standing line. Now draw tail of the pig like this. For the ear, draw 2 triangles like this and fill it with black color. Now draw 2 dots for the eyes of the pig. Then draw mouth and nose in this manner. Draw an oval shape at the end of the smile and 2 dots in the oval shape. Our pig is ready. So these are our finger paint animals. Try this at home. Thank you so much.